Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Seat Ibizia for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. The clutch and the gearbox feel good. Let's get it through all the gears. No issues there. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels good, so the car is driving spot on as it should. It is a really nice car to drive, very easy car to drive, everything feels nice and smooth. Really comfortable leather multifunction steering wheel. Got really nice specifications, so you've got a large colour touchscreen multimedia system. At the moment I've got the sat nav on display. On there you've also got the likes of Bluetooth, both for your mobile phone, hands-free, and for audio streaming. You've got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM. There's auxiliary input, USB port, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. Bit of a slow test drive this one. Plenty of people about making me wait. Nice air conditioning system. You've got electric windows, electrically adjustable door mirrors. So yeah, all the convenience features and then some. It's a really economic car to run as well. Cheap road tax, good fuel economy, low insurance group. This one's done really low mileage, so it's only done a 37,468 at the moment. Quite nippy as well. So yeah, just an all-round good little car. It would be a lovely buy for somebody. And here we are back at High Auto. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.